Guys, in today's video, I will show you how to earn money online using a free Google trick, which is one of the easiest ways to earn money from home. If you want to know how to do it, we're about to find out in this video. Also, only a small percentage of you watching my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting some value out of this video, consider supporting the channel by subscribing, activating notifications, and also leaving a big thumbs up. But first, hello and welcome to Try This Method. In this channel, I look around the internet and find ways for you to make money online and share them with you in these videos. So yeah, like, subscribe and activate notifications so you never miss out on any future uploads. Also, if you have any concerns or questions about this video, leave a comment down below. I will make sure to reply to every one of you. Now let us start with the video. In this video, I will explain to you how to set up this passive income stream by leveraging a simple Google trick in one click of a button using this absolutely free software. And guess what? You don't need to invest any money to start with this. You don't need to have your own website, and this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. Now, right before I explain to you how to do this, comment down below, I am from this country, and tell me which country you guys are watching from, so in the future I can make sure that the videos I release and the methods I show you in this channel are actually working in your countries. Now let us get started. So let's first begin with step number 1, which is going over to news.google.com, and that's going to take us to Google News, which is a new aggregator developed by Google where you can find all the latest news from all over the world. And here on the left hand side, you can see all these different categories, including your country, what's happening in the world, your local news, and you also have these categories: business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. If you go to business over here, that's going to give you all the latest news about business, either in your specific country or all over the world. Now moving on to step number 2. Every couple hours, these news will update, and a new article will take place on specific topics, which in this case, it's going to be business. As you can see right here, this one was posted 1 hour ago. This one is slightly older than the first one, and so on and so forth. So you can open any of these articles and use them to make money online. So for example, let's use this one right here. Now all we have to do is click this specific article, and that's going to take us to this page. So as you can see, this is the entire article that you can use to make money, which I will be explaining exactly how to do so. So for this step, I want you to copy this article. And for the sake of this video, I'm just going to copy 2 sentences or 3 of this article, just to show you an example of how this actually works and how you can make money from these articles on Google News. Now moving on to step number 3, all you need to do is go over to quillbot.com. Quillbot.com is a free online tool that will rewrite those articles professionally for you, so you can use them free of charge to make money online again and again. So what you need to do is paste your article right here and click paraphrase, and it's going to rewrite the entire article in a matter of seconds. The best part is that it's all done for you for absolutely free. So as you can see on the left hand side here, we have the original article, and on the right hand side, we have the rephrased article, which is now unique and ready to be used. Now I can copy this rephrased article with one click of a button, so now I can use it to make money. And you can do the same thing for all these articles from different categories that are available in Google News. And as I showed you before, these articles are coming in every couple hours. And you have thousands and thousands of articles that are going to be coming in. And each of these articles can make you money again and again. And later in this video, I'll be giving you a free bonus tip that will allow you to make even more money with this method. So stay tuned and watch all the way until the end. Now moving on to step number 4. There are 2 different ways you can make money with those rephrased articles. The first one is not going to make it that much, but the second one can make you thousands of dollars. In fact, you actually make tens of thousands of dollars. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video, consider supporting my channel by leaving a big thumbs up, subscribing, and activating notification. Any kind of support is really appreciated. Now the first and least paying option is using textbroker.com. Textbroker is working with some massive companies such as Yoast, Staples, eBay, Auto, and so much more. This platform will pay you for rewriting these articles. Now of course, you want to have to rewrite those articles yourself because as I showed you before, you can get them written for you for absolutely free in only one click of a button by simply using a Google trick to make money online. So all you need to do is go over to textbroker.com and click on Write Content right over here. And that's going to take you over to the next page where you can learn more about making money by writing articles for text broker. And by the way, text broker is actually free to register with. And you can start making money with this website right now by writing different articles today. Now, if you go to payment section right here and click on more information, you will be able to calculate how much money you will be making. As you can see, for 1,000 words, you can literally be making $50. So the longer the article is, the higher the money you can make. So the longer the article, the better. So let's say for 1,200 words, you will be making up to $600. And the best part is you can do it over and over again. But keep in mind that this is not going to make you that much money compared to the second way of making money with free articles. To get started with Text Broker, just click on the free author registration right here and create an absolutely free account and start making money with those articles. The second way you can make money from those free articles is by leveraging the power of freelancing websites such as Fiverr, Freelancer, Truelancer, Guru.com, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of different freelancing websites which you can use, not just Fiverr, because if you use more of them, you'll be making a lot more money. So for example, if you sell on 10 different freelancing websites, you can earn 10 times your earnings, as opposed to selling just from one website. So if you go over to Fiverr.com for example, and search for article writing, that's going to show you all these different people that are making money by writing simple articles. But the first thing is they're doing it the hard way because they're doing it themselves. And that's why it takes them a lot more time and effort to write those articles, and customers just don't like that. I mean, no one likes to wait, right? And since you can deliver those articles instantly, you will be 10 steps ahead of all your competitors. And that way, you will earn a lot more money compared to them. And you can see that this is actually very profitable. For example, this person is charging $35 and he has over 280 sales, which is over $10,000 in profits. This person is charging $40, and so on and so forth. So you can calculate and make sure that these people are making a lot of money online. So what you can actually do is go over, start with Text Broker to sell your articles, and also use these freelancing websites to start selling your articles. And that brings us to the end of the video today. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And make sure to share this video with your friends. And as always, I will see you tomorrow with another video.